Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today's art challenge is inspired by a favorite cartoon of mine, Scooby Doo. I've always thought it was cool that the gang had the mystery machine to drive around in while they solved mysteries. Today's art challenge is to make your own mystery machine with yourself in it. Follow along while I get started. Using this how to draw sheet, I can start by sketching my van in pencil. Follow along so you can see how to draw a van from the side, like I did here. Now that my van is all the way sketched out, I can add some details to make my mystery machine a masterpiece of my own. I'm going to call it the Melvin machine, and I'm going to also add some details that represent me. My next and final step is to outline and color. I tried to stick to the same colors you would see in the actual mystery machine with my drawing, but you can feel free to pick any colors you like. While you watch me finish up, start to think about what your mystery machine might look like and enjoy. I wanted to add a mystery to the background. Follow along to see if you can spot the mystery that needs solving. You've seen my attempt. I made the Melvin machine and even added a mystery in the background to solve. Now it's your turn to try. Create your own mystery machine with yourself inside of it. This can be a doodle or a masterpiece, but either way, happy making, artist, and enjoy.